Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? Hopefully you are fine and doing great at your home with your families. As you know that we have already completed our chapter from read now. So now we are going to revise our chapter from chapter number 1 of final term, which is Galert the Gallant Hound. But before starting that, we have to mention classwork and after that date, which is Tuesday 19th of January 2020. This is grade 5 lecture. Your subject is English literature, textbook read now. Topic Gallant the Gallant Town, and we are going to solve exercise number 1. Write down the meanings. Okay, if you remember the story, it's a very unique and interesting story. It was a story of a hound which was very faithful, and and also it tells us about that we shouldn't do or take decision at once. So now, before starting the story again, let's continue our work, which is we are going to solve. Write down the meanings. So what are the words? Number one word is gallant. So what is the meaning of gallant? Obviously you have already know about it. So tell me, what is the meaning of gallant? Yes, anyone? Very good. Yes, you are correct. It's brave. What is the meaning of gallant? Brave. What is the meaning of gallant? Brave. Good. Second one is endurance. What comes to your mind when we are talking about endurance? Yes, good. Who's gonna answer for this? Yes, very good. It's tolerance. What is it? It's tolerance. Pitched. Number third word is pitched. So what is the meaning of pitch? I know boys, in your mind comes your cricket pitch. So what is the pitch? Set at a particular pitch. Set at a particular pitch. What is venison? So venison, yes, good. Venison is the meat of deer. The meat of deer. Okay, now look at this animal. Obviously, you know that it's deer and its meat is called venison. What is its meat is called? Venison. Now, the next word. Next word is prowling. What is the prowling? Prowling means to steal. Steal, okay? Steals. What is the meaning of steal? To take something without permission. Now look at this wolf, it's prowling. What it is doing? It's prowling, or it is coming slowly to take something or to steal something. Now move to the next word. The next word is stealthily. So what is the meaning of this word? Means secretly. Secretly. Now look at this. Okay, now look at this image. It's walking secretly. It's walking secretly or moving secretly. Okay, now move to the next word. Now next word is flung. What is the meaning of flung? Flung means to throw. To throw. You know it this word very well. So I am not showing any image for this. Viciously. What is the meaning of this word? Harmful, cruel, evil. Harmful, cruel, evil. The next word is swayed. What is the meaning of swayed? Swing. The meaning of swayed? Swing. Next word is slash. So what is the meaning of slash? Now look at the picture. So what is the knife doing with the cucumber? It is slashing it. Means cut with knife. What is the slash meaning of knife? Sorry, what is the meaning of slash? It's cut with knife. Okay, the next word. Okay, number 10 word is wearily. What is the meaning of this word? It's been physically or mentally tired. Physically or mentally tired. Now look at this man. Isn't he looking tired? Physically or mentally tired person is called wearily. Okay, now move to the next word. Okay, now the last word is sore. What is the meaning of sore? Painful. Sore, painful. Or become big. Now look at this image. Look at its finger. It's sore. What it is? It's sore. So what is the meaning of sore? Become painful. You can see from the expression as well that he is feeling pain in the finger. Okay, so this was our topic for today. You will write the words meaning on your English uh, literature notebook. If you have any missing work, you can complete your work right now. Okay, if you have any kind of problem, obviously you know how to contact me, and you will make sentences. I will share images of word sentences, so you will write it on your notebook if you haven't tried yet. Okay, if you have any kind of problem, take care, tell me, or contact me on my WhatsApp number. Take care, Allah Hafiz.